ending of this month, the close season begins, and people around these areas are lamenting and are in a very, very bad situation that there are no pre-mixed fuel for them to fish. Some of them are using outboard motor and they have to use the pre-mixed fuel. The pre-mixed fuel is the only thing they can use to go for fishing. Yet they go for fishing, nothing is in the net for them to catch. So remember to subscribe. Let's help the fishermen over here. What are the ideas that you think you can give them for them to use for fishing? Maybe it's a new idea, you can bring it on board. Those living in diaspora, if you have any idea, you can share with us so that we can let them know the only way they can get some fish. Remember, close season is just around and they will stop fishing for a whole month. They have to be in the house, no fishing. Where exactly are they going to get something from? As we are talking now, they are even finding it difficult to get some of the little that they have to get before the close season. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV. This is the only thing you can do to support us. Thank you so much. Let's go and watch them, how they were trying their possible best to get little bits of fish. Every fish that have been stuck into the net, they are trying their possible best to bring one of them into their bowl. Let's go and watch them and come back. Remember, once again, subscribe to Everlove TV, share your comment, talk to us, whatever idea you have, bring it on board. Let's do something about it. Thank you. As you can see behind me, they are fishing over there, and what we've seen today, it's very sad. About 20-30 of them go into fishing, and the little that they get, they have to share among them, and then they have to sell and then send something to the house. It's very serious. I tried a possible way to speak to some of them, but they were not able to speak to me just because it is getting late. They have to do possible best fast so that they can get back to their various houses. So let's go and watch the videos and come back. Leave your comment what you've seen about the video, how they were. It is a fishing community, as see. Keta is one of the fishing community, but today fishing in this area is becoming sad to them, that to the extent that they will go to fishing and then come back home with nothing, because this day, because of should I say, global warming, fish are no longer coming to the sea, to the seashores, to the extent that they can be able to get some of them. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV. This is the only thing you can do to support us. Thank you so much.